Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to know if someone blocked you on X, formerly known as Twitter. This is one of those little things that can be confusing, especially if a profile suddenly stops loading, their posts disappear, or you can't interact with them anymore. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to check, what you'll see if you are blocked, and how to confirm it in just a few seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open X in your browser or the X app and go directly to the profile of the person you think may have blocked you. The important part here is to visit their profile directly, not through a search result that may be acting weird or showing cached content. You can type their username into the search bar or paste the direct profile link if you already have it. Once you open their profile page, look carefully at what appears on the screen. If you are blocked, X will show a large notice on their profile page that clearly says, "You're blocked." That message is the main sign to look for, and it means your account no longer has access to that profile. At that point, you won't be able to see their posts, follow them, or interact with their content normally. If you see that blocked message, then yes, that confirms they have blocked you on C. If you do not see the notice, then you may not be blocked, and the issue could be something else, like the account being private, deactivated, or temporarily unavailable. But for the quickest check, visiting the profile directly is the simplest method. This works well because it removes a lot of the guesswork and gets you a clear answer right away. So again, just go to their profile, and if you see the big "You're blocked" notice, that is your confirmation. If this video helped clear things up, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more short and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.